Welcome back to another episode of Tech Basics. In this video, we are going to be learning how you can download the Amazon Kindle application on your mobile device. To download the Amazon Kindle app, first of all, make sure that your device is connected to a stable internet. Once it is, open your Google Play Store or your App Store. In the search box, search for Amazon Kindle. In the search result, look for this application. Tap on the download or the get button to start downloading Amazon Kindle app. Amazon Kindle app is a versatile e-reader application that allows you to access and read Kindle books, magazines, newspapers, comics, and manga on your smartphone, tablet, or your computer. It is a convenient way to enjoy your favorite reads anytime and anywhere. Wait until the Amazon Kindle application installs and then tap on the open button to open the app on your mobile device. Sign into your Amazon account and start reading. And that is how you can easily download the Amazon Kindle app on your mobile device. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press on the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.